I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Today I'm going to make one of my barbecue favorites, a tri-tip roast. I know a lot of folks shy away from a tri-tip because if it's not cooked properly, it can be a little tough. Well, I'm going to use a split cooking method today. I'm going to start by smoking it low and slow on the Kamado Joe over indirect heat until I hit an internal temperature of 110 degrees. I am then going to remove the roast, let it rest for a little bit while I reconfigure the Kamado Joe for direct heat. The roast will then go back on over direct heat and cook until an internal temperature hits 125 to 128 degrees. Then I'm going to pull it off and let it rest again. That's going to give me a roast that is going to be succulent and juicy, and it's going to cut like a brisket, but it's going to taste like a steak. Let's get cooking. So the first thing to do is to trim some of the fat off of your tri-tip. This particular tri-tip is a prime tri-tip, so I think it has just a bit more fat than I'm used to seeing. It's actually kind of thick, so I'm just cutting off the ends where there's quite a bit of it, and any silver that appears, like that piece right there, that's got to go. I've turned the roast back over, and I'm going to trim down this fat cap a little bit to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. That's it. The rest of the fat is just not needed. Time to light a barbecue. While the barbecue heats up, I'm going to season this roast with black pepper, kosher salt, some garlic powder, as well as some dried rosemary and dried oregano. Season both sides, and then this is ready for the smoker. 225 until it hits 110 degrees, and then it goes over direct heat after a brief rest to char the outside. And that is one very juicy tri-tip. Love it. Hey, if you like the video, let me know. And please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Austin Eats.